In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Shazam app. So if you're experiencing problems with your app, maybe your app is not opening or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem and get your app running. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. There are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to fix your app and get it up and running. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page. And there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you need to go to settings. And then from settings, look for the option called apps. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From apps, look for this option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And then this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Proceed and look for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And now I'm on the app information page. So if you're finding a challenge accessing this app information page, then let me show you a shortcut method, because this is where we are going to do the troubleshooting. So if you go back to your app, just go ahead and long press on it, and then you will see this option called app info. If you tap on it, you will again get to the same page here. Now what we want to do is to go ahead and clear the app information, and more especially the cache data. If I tap on storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data that are available on our smartphone. So when you talk of cache files, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it. Now the problem is, whenever these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To restore your app, just go ahead and clear the cache by tapping on clear data, and then choose this option called clear cache, and then go ahead and tap on OK. And as you can see, the cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app, and then your app should be up and running without any issue. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the data on your app, and this you can do it by tapping on clear all data here and OK. Now you'll have to go ahead and log in afresh into your app and see if your app is now running smoothly. At this point, most of the problems or most of the errors should be fixed. However, if your problem still persists, then take the third and the last step to fix it. For this, you need to access the app through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For this, I'll go ahead and look for the app through my Google Play Store because I'm on Android, and then tap on it and then search for your app. As you can see, mine is here. From this, go ahead and look for any option called update. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of your app, and it might contain bugs that needs to be fixed. By updating it, you'll be able to fix these bugs and also any security issues associated with the older version of your app, as well as you'll get the latest features that comes with this app. Once you update, now you'll be able to get the latest app. Go ahead and tap on it, and then now your app should be up and running without any problem. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any problem associated with your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.